This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your apps from crashing on your Android phone. So the first thing you want to do is just go to all your different apps by hitting the switcher and just close everything down in the background. Then go to the top right and we can go to settings and scroll on down. Now I have something called device care on my Samsung, but we can just locate storage on our phone somewhere and we can go to the memory option right here. Now, by going to memory, we can close down like the background apps and stuff by running, and we can free up some memory space. So let's do that right now. I'm going to clean this, and it's going to go ahead and just close these apps running in the background, and it should clean up some memory for us. So you can see I have 1.1 available now. I have a little bit more. On your phone, you might have this option for RAM plus 2. You might want to go to this, and you can extend the RAM so you have more system memory. So we can go to that option as well. Now we can go back and just look at our storage capacity right here. If we do not have enough storage capacity available, if we're low on storage, our apps could be crashing because of that. So we can just tap this and delete anything on your phone that's not needed. So if you got too many videos on your phone, delete some videos or transfer over your computer and delete unused apps. So you can see I can clear storage space right here by selecting some files, unused apps. So just come through here and make sure you have enough storage space. So I probably have like maybe 30 or 40 gigabytes available just for anything. If you don't have that, definitely delete stuff. Now another thing that we can do is under the main settings menu, locate apps. So let's go on down to apps right here, tap it, and locate the app you're having an issue with. So we can go to like the camera application. For example, we can press this and we can force stop it, and see if that helps, and then go to open. You can open this up. So for stopping it, you'll close the app, open it back up, and then we can go on down to storage right here. We can try clearing the cache. Now if we clear the cache, we can try it out, but if we go to clear data, now sometimes this will log you out of your account. Like if you're signed into Netflix, it'll log you out of your account because you're going to delete pretty much all file settings, accounts, and databases, and then you can try logging back in. So you can do this. Now, another step is to just simply delete the app and then get it back on your phone. Sometimes that will work too. So we can go to one of these applications right here. For example, I have the option, well, this one I have the option to disable because it came with my phone. But here's Discord, for example. I can uninstall it right here. Just uninstall it. And then I can go back to the Google Play Store right here. And then I can just reinstall it back to my account. So let's go through all this stuff. Not in. Okay, no thank you. And then I can just type in Discord right here. And I can re-download it back to my phone. So we can look at those different options. Another thing that you can do is go to the top right and just performing a simple power restart or something like that could fix a lot of issues because it's going to close down those applications and then we can just, restart our phone. Also, look for any kind of software updates on your phone. Samsung makes this easy. I can just scroll down. I have an option for a software update. Yours might be under About Phone. But we can go to Update right here. Just check for any kind of updates that you might have. There could be something pending in the background. So just give us some time to update. But hopefully one of these tips I showed you did indeed help you out.